Hello everyone, my name is Stephanie. So today I will read two articles. Taylor Swift, the sensation of a generation. Born in the town of Reading, Pennsylvania on December 13, 1989. Taylor Swift is unquestionably the most influential musician of her generation. Arguably, she is the most significant female singer ever, and has had more influence on the music of her age than any other artist since the Beatles, the Rolling Stones, and Bob Dylan have country early. Her success is largely down to absolute support of her family, and notably of her parents, who were the world's first Swifties. From a very early age, they recognized that the doctor and exponential talents. It helped that Taylor's mother worked in marketing, and her dad was a financial manager. They recognized an opportunity when they saw one, and know how to develop it. As a small child, Taylor was encouraged to follow her artistic interests. She loved storytelling and singing, and was particularly fond of Shania Twain, the Canadian singer, who helped put pop into American country music. By the age of 11, she was already writing her first songs and performing in public. Convinced that the doctor really did have talent, her parents moved the family home from Pennsylvania to Henderson, near Nashville, Tennessee, the capital of country music. For 2 years, Taylor went to Henderson High School, but after that she was homeschooled, as it was becoming harder and harder to reconcile the demands of a regular high school education with her musical commitments. Taylor's career took off when she signed with a new independent record company, Big Magazine Records. At the age of 15 in 2006. She released her eponymous debut album, demonstrating her talent as a singer-songwriter, and quickly gained popularity on the country music scene. The single "Team MC Crow", about a popular country music singer, which Taylor had written when she was 15, received great critical acclaim. 2 years later, Taylor's second album, "Fearless", catapulted her into stardom, with hits like "A Love Story" and "You Belong With Me." Swift received Swift receives multiple awards, including 4 Grammys. By the time "Speak Now", her third album, came out in 2010, Taylor Swift had firmly established herself as a major artist in both country and pop music. The album, entirely penned by her, included hits like "Back to December" and "Mean" in the true country style. Many of Taylor's songs told a story and were personal, endearing her to her growing number of fans. But while country music was largely an American genre, popular in US but not so popular elsewhere, Taylor was encouraging fans all over the world, and echoing the way that Bob Dylan, with his album, like Rolling Stone, transitioned from folk to rock. From folk to rock, Taylor's 2014 album, 1989, marked her transition from country music to the mainstream of world pop music. The album's lead single "Shake It Off" reached #1 worldwide and marked the start of a new stage in her career. As her career voice raised, Swift also discovered the downside to being a celebrity. In 2016, public controversies, including her high profile despot with other celebrities, forced her to reflect on the darker side of celebrity culture. Swift used this reflection as a influence for her next album, Reputation, a more introspective work that explored themes of love, betrayal, and silence. Yet in 2019, Swift surprised fans again by releasing Lover, an album that returned to the romantic themes of country music, while reflecting on important issues such as women's rights and other social causes. The COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 prompted many artists to reflect their music, and Swift was no exception. She released two surprise albums, Folklore and Evermore, returning to a calmer folk sound that contrasted sharply with her previous works. This album, Revive, widespread critical acclaim all over the world, even though the marked a departure from her mainstream pop sounds. In addition, in addition to her musical achievement, Taylor Swift has also made headlines by campaigning for a fairer music industry. Her highly publicized despite with record labels about the ownership of her music catalog led her to record her early albums, including Fearless and Red. This move was viewed not only as a reclaiming of her artistic identity, but also as a powerful statement in support of artistic rights. Throughout her career, Taylor Swift has won more major awards than any others contemporary musicians. Yet, beyond the media hype, her true legacy lies in her ability to connect with millions of fans through her music and stories. Whether through her memorable lyric or through speaking up on important social issues, Swift has become a voice of a generation, a worldwide generation of fans from children and teens to parents and grandparents. I just love Taylor Swift, says 12 years old Marin. And my auntie catch as a Swiftie too. She flew over to London from Canada just to go to her heritage gig at Wembley Stadium. She came all the way for the concert. And the last article, gender bias and poverty. Inequality between men and women result in poor health for children and greater poverty for the family. According to a new study, the UN agency UNICEF found that in places where women are excluded from family decisions, children are more likely to suffer from malnutrition. There will be 13 million fewer malnourished children in South Asia if women had an equal say in the family, UNICEF said. UNICEF surveyed family decision making in 30 countries around the world. Their chief finding is the equality between men and women is vital to reducing poverty, the improving health, especially of the children in the developing countries. The consolations are contained in the agency-led report, The Luck Gap. It shows that women with little education or employment and poor nutrition are more likely to have children who lead a poor health. An increase in employment and income earning opportunities for women would increase the household power. The report said, for example, the agency found that 15% whenever the poorest share of household income and asset decide, decide whether those resources will be used for family needs.